Want to know the secret to making toxic people respect you? It's not begging for it. It's not fighting for it. It's not trying to prove you deserve it. It's something way simpler. Something that makes them respect you without you saying a single word. You do one thing, and suddenly, everything changes. They stop crossing your lines. They stop testing you. They start treating you completely different. And the best part? You never had to explain yourself. You never had to argue. You just showed them through your actions. So, let me teach you exactly how to do this. Because once you get it, toxic people will respect you like never before. Number 1. Stay calm when they expect you to explode. Here's what toxic people always expect. They say something mean. They push your buttons. And they wait for you to blow up. They want drama. They want you to get angry. They want you to lose control. Because when you explode, they feel powerful. They get to say, "See, I can control this person with just my words." But here's the move that changes everything. You stay calm. Someone tries to upset you. They say something rude. They try to start a fight. And you just look at them. Quiet, peaceful, unbothered. You take a breath. You wait. Then maybe you say, "Okay," or you don't say anything at all. Your face doesn't change. Your voice doesn't shake. You act like their words don't have any power over you. And something weird happens. They get confused. Their brain goes, "Wait, I just tried to upset them and nothing happened." They're not even mad. They were ready for a big reaction. They wanted to see you angry. But you gave them nothing, just calmness. And that calmness, it makes them respect you, because they realize they can't control you. Their words don't work on you. You're too strong to play their games. Think about it like this. When you react to everything, you're like a puppet. They pull your strings, and you dance. But when you stay calm, you cut those strings. You show them you're not a toy they can play with. People respect what they can't shake. And when you won't shake, when you won't break, when you stay solid no matter what they say, they have no choice but to respect you. Number 2. Walk away without explaining yourself. This one is powerful. When toxic people disrespect you, when they waste your time, when they bring drama into your life, you walk away. No big speech, no explaining why, no trying to make them understand. You just leave. Maybe you're in a conversation and someone keeps being rude. You stand up and walk away. Maybe someone texts you drama. You don't respond. You put your phone down and do something else. Maybe someone tries to drag you into their mess. You say, "I'm not doing this," and you leave. Simple, clean, done. Here's what most people do wrong. They try to explain. "I'm leaving because you're being disrespectful, and I don't appreciate it, and you always do this," and stop. You don't need to explain anything. Toxic people don't care about your explanations. They'll just argue with you more. They'll twist your words. They'll make you defend yourself even more. But when you walk away without explaining, when you just remove yourself quietly, that sends a stronger message than any words ever could. It says, "Your behavior is so unacceptable that I'm not even going to waste my breath talking about it." And that makes them respect you, because they see that you value yourself enough to walk away from disrespect. You don't beg people to treat you right. You just leave if they don't. Every time you walk away from nonsense, your value goes up in their eyes. They start thinking, "Wow, this person won't tolerate disrespect. I need to be careful around them." That's the kind of respect that lasts, not the kind you beg for, the kind you earn by knowing when to walk away. Number 3, protect your energy like it's gold. Here's something toxic people hate. When you stop giving them your time and attention, most people are available to everyone all the time. Someone calls, they answer. Someone texts, they respond right away. Someone wants to hang out, they say yes. Even when those people treat them badly. But strong people, they protect their energy. They know their time is valuable, their peace is valuable, their attention is valuable, so they don't give it to everyone. If someone treats you badly, you pull back. You become less available. They text you, you take longer to respond. Not to be mean, just because you're busy living your life. They want to hang out, you're busy. You have other things to do. They want your help, you don't have time right now. You're not being rude. You're not trying to hurt them. You're just showing them that bad behavior means they lose access to you. And when toxic people see this, when they notice you're not as available anymore, they start respecting you. Because they realize, "Oh, if I want this person in my life, I need to treat them better. Because they're not going to stick around if I don't." You teach people how to treat you by what you allow. When you protect your energy, when you stop giving it freely to people who don't deserve it, you show them you won't allow disrespect. And that earns respect. Real respect. The kind that makes them think twice before they try to use you or treat you badly. Not everyone deserves access to your peace. And when you understand that, when you really believe it, people feel it. They respect it. Number 4. Set boundaries without apologizing. Toxic people will cross your lines over and over if you let them. They'll ask for too much. They'll show up unannounced. They'll say rude things. They'll waste your time. And most people, They just take it. Because they don't want to be mean. They don't want to upset anyone. But strong people set boundaries, and they don't apologize for them. Someone asks you to do something you don't want to do. You say, no, not, I'm so sorry, but I can't because, just, no. Someone tries to talk to you in a rude way. You say, I'm not having this conversation right now. Not, I'm sorry but I feel like maybe we should. Just a clear boundary. Someone keeps crossing your line. You say, that doesn't work for me. Simple, direct, no apology. Here's why this works. When you apologize for your boundaries, you make them sound like they're wrong. Like you're doing something bad by having limits. But when you state your boundaries calmly, without apology, without over-explaining, it shows you believe you deserve respect. You believe your limits are reasonable. And toxic people pick up on that energy. They think, okay, this person isn't going to bend. They know what they want. I better respect that. Boundaries without apology earn respect. Every single time. Number 5. Let your actions speak louder than words. Talking about what you're going to do means nothing. Actually doing it means everything. Toxic people have heard it all before. If you do that again, I'm going to. Next time you treat me like that, I won't. All talk, no action. And toxic people know you're bluffing, so they keep disrespecting you. But when you stop talking and start doing, everything changes. Someone disrespects you. You don't warn them, you don't threaten them, you just quietly pull back. Someone crosses your boundary. You don't give a speech. You just remove them from your life. Your actions do all the talking. And that's what makes toxic people respect you. Because they realize, oh, this person doesn't just talk. They actually do what they say. I need to be careful. Words are easy to ignore. Actions are impossible to ignore. Move in silence. Let your behavior show people who you are. That's how you earn real respect. Number 6. Choose peace over revenge. When someone treats you badly, your first thought is probably revenge. I want to get them back. I want them to feel what I felt. But here's the problem with revenge. It keeps you stuck at their level. It keeps you thinking about them. It keeps you angry. And toxic people love that. Because you're still giving them your energy. Strong people do something different. They choose peace. Someone wrongs them. And instead of planning revenge, they just let it go. They move on. They focus on their own life. Not because they're weak, because they're smart. When you choose peace, when you walk away with your head high, when you build a great life without them, that earns more respect than any revenge. Because people see that you're above the drama. You're too mature for games. You're too focused on your future to waste time on their nonsense. Number 7. Let life handle it for you. You don't need to get even. You don't need to make toxic people pay. Life does it for you. People who treat others badly, life catches up with them eventually. Your job is simple. Let it go. Move forward. Live your life. When you stop trying to teach toxic people a lesson, when you just quietly move on, that's when you win. Because while they're stuck in drama, you're out there being happy, building, growing. And when they see you thriving, that's when the respect comes. Pick one of these 7 things. Just one. Do it once. Watch what happens. You'll feel more powerful, and people will start treating you differently. Now hit subscribe. One click. Next video, I'm showing you what to do when toxic people try to test your boundaries. Your silence and actions say everything.